Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here four different alkenes are given. The first one is alene, second one is propene, third one is like isobutene, fourth one is dimethylbutene. You have to find which one of the CC compound has more bond length. The answer lies in the hyperconjugation. Because hyperconjugation is no bond resonance, it removes the proton remove partially, and you have negative charge which is resonating inside the double bond. So what really happened? Double bond becomes single bond during that resonance. Here I highlighted double bond gets single bond character, so bond length is higher. So more the alpha hydrogen, more will be the bond length. So the first compound has no alpha hydrogen, second one has 3 alpha, third one has 6 alpha, fourth one has no alpha hydrogen. So the third one involves more resonance due to 6 alpha hydrogen. So the hyperconjugation will be more. So more alpha hydrogen, more hyperconjugation, more will be the bond length. So the answer is 3 there. Here the concept you have to learn here is alpha carbon decrease the bond length of CC double bond. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.